Most people think the most important device Apple makes is the iPhone. They're wrong. Most people believe the future of entertainment is just another smart TV with built-in apps. They couldn't be further from the truth. Right now, sitting quietly under millions of television sets across America, is a black box that holds more processing power than the computers that sent man to the moon. It's the Apple TV 4K. But here's the thing, you are likely using only 10% of what this machine is actually capable of. We are currently standing at a massive crossroads. While the world waits for the next big iPhone or a thinner MacBook, a silent revolution is happening in the living room. The Apple TV 4K is no longer just a streaming box. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. It has become the Trojan horse for Apple's entire ecosystem, and in 2026, it's about to undergo a transformation so radical that it will make your current smart TV look like a calculator. If you've been thinking about buying one, or if you already own one and think it's just for Netflix, stop. You need to hear this. Because the roadmap for the next generation of Apple TV 4K has just been blown wide open, and it changes everything we know about home cinema, gaming, and the very concept of the smart home. To understand where we are going, we have to understand the problem we are all facing. Have you noticed how smart TVs have become, well, not so smart? You spend $2,000 on a beautiful OLED panel, and within 18 months, the interface starts to lag. The apps crash. The remote feels like cheap plastic. And worst of all, the TV starts tracking your every move, selling your viewing data to the highest bidder just to subsidize the cost of the hardware. This is the smart TV trap. Apple saw this coming years ago. They realized that the screen is just a window, but the brain, the box, is what actually matters. The Apple TV 4K was designed to be the brain that never grows old. But as we move into the middle of 2026, the current model is facing its biggest challenge yet. The rumors are true. A new Apple TV is ready. It's sitting in a warehouse right now. So why hasn't Apple released it? The answer lies in a single word: intelligence. For the last year, the tech world has been whispering about why Apple is holding back the next generation hardware. We know the specs. We know it's likely packing the A17 Pro or even an A18 series chip, the kind of silicon that runs console-quality games on the iPhone 15 Pro. But the hardware isn't the delay. The delay is Siri. Or rather, what Siri is becoming. Apple is re-engineering the Apple TV 4K to be the primary interface for Apple Intelligence in the home. They aren't just giving us a faster box, they are giving us a digital butler. Imagine walking into your living room and saying, "Hey, find that movie where the guy goes to space, but it's actually a metaphor for fatherhood," and the Apple TV doesn't just give you a list, it understands the context, pulls up Interstellar, and automatically dims your lights to cinema mode while preheating your smart oven for popcorn. This level of deep integration is what Apple is waiting for. They are waiting for the software to match the terrifying potential of the hardware. But let's talk about the now. Why is the current Apple TV 4K still the undisputed king of the living room in 2026? It comes down to the philosophy of no compromise. When you watch a movie on a built-in TV app, the bitrate is often throttled. The colors are processed